Simply nope. On a radio program 2 years ago, former President Trump took credit for moving the new Space Force.
I single-handedly said, let's go to Alabama.
In fact, that never happened. And now President Biden is keeping Space Force in Colorado Springs, where it's been since it was announced. Mr. Biden saying a move would be disruptive to military readiness. The decision will likely anger Alabama Senator Tommy Tuberville, who is blocking military nominations. Andy Field, ABC News, Washington.
It's cooled down in this southwest city, just not enough, says ABC's Alex Stone. For the first time in about a month, Phoenix is hitting a high below 110 degrees. The city has blown through its all-time record of consecutive days of extreme temperatures. It'll be just below 110 degrees through about Thursday, and then it's right back to another stretch of ultra-hot weather. Our Alex Stone, you're listening to ABC News.
And now for the very latest on the highways, streets, and woes on the roads. Let's go to Dana Head.
Brought to you by KitchenMart.net. That time of the going to be 19 minutes eastbound Cass City, PA. Is running very slow. But to Roseville, you got 8 minutes there, eastbound 80. Downtown Elk Grove, a little heavy, southbound at 5, 12 minutes. And you got flowing actually starting all the way down at Elk Grove Boulevard, or maybe even Laguna, and going toward Hood Franklin. And also on 99, it's 12 minutes. And then once you get down there, you're going to have some slow-and-go traffic as you go through the area until you get to about Dillard. Downtown to Folsom is now 18 minutes eastbound 50 and clearing up again westbound 50 out there at Prairie City and Folsom. 16 minutes to Woodland, northbound I-5 to Main Street, and 14 minutes to Davis, westbound 80 out to Mace Boulevard. Take your kitchen from tired to inspired with custom cabinet refacing from Kitchen Mart. Save big with their refacing sale now and fall in love with your kitchen. See before and afters and schedule your free in-home consultation today at KitchenMart.net. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Data hits KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Partly cloudy skies for tonight. We'll see a nighttime low of 59 to 63. Times of clouds and sun tomorrow. Tomorrow's high 85 to 89. Mostly sunny skies Wednesday. The high once again 85 to 89. I'm AccuWeather's Drew Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
And right now we have KFBK Studios in Sacramento, 92 in Cordova, and 95 in Elk Grove. So it's coming up on 411. That means it's time for our poll question. And this is about a new ballot measure that has just qualified for the 2024 election. It will allow California voters to decide on an expansion of rent control. The measure would allow cities to implement new limits on rents and rent increases. It is the third time the measure will go before voters in just the last 4 elections. Supporters say it will make housing more affordable. Opponents argue it will dry up the supply of housing, making it more difficult to find an affordable place to live. So we want to know, do you support limits on rent and rent increases? Yes, it will make houses more affordable, or no, it will make it harder to find housing. And that is what we are wanting to hear from you today. So please weigh in. Let us know what's going on with that so we can air your views later on. We'd like to very much hear from you. And, of course, you can go to the KFBK Afternoon News with Kitty O'Neill. That's our page at KFBK.com. Or you can go to our Twitter page. To hear the reason behind your vote, you can dial pound 250 on your smartphone and say open mic, or on free iHeartRadio app. Tap the mic button, record your comments, and say KFBK Tap and Talk. Just ahead on the KFBK Afternoon News, the top trending stories to go in-depth coming up at 417 on the so-called Doomsday Mom, who will be spending the rest of her life in prison. On KFBK News Radio, live everywhere, and on the iHeartRadio app. I do get the news on the radio. When an emergency happens, you turn on the radio. Radio has always been there. KFBK News Radio, heard in Sacramento and Northern California on 93.1 FM.
The radio is my main source of news.
Up and down the West Coast on the 50,000 watts, 8:30 AM.
Are you tired of the hassle and headache of your water softener? Maybe tired of changing filters, scheduling servicing, and adding salt to your water? Well, there's a better way. You can ditch your outdated softener for good. Trade up to a LifeSource whole home water system. It's Kitty O'Neill, and LifeSource systems filter your water from every tap, so you have safe, clean water for drinking, showering, cleaning, doing laundry. You get the convenience and luxury of filtered water throughout your whole home. We have a life source system and we love it. And now's a great time to upgrade. There's a Ditch the Softener rebate valued at up to $1,000. You can upgrade to Life Source now and claim that rebate. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a limited time offer. Call 916-312-6430. That's 916-312-6430. Or just visit LifeSourceWater.com. Call on the source. Life Source. This report is sponsored by Total Wine & More. With so many bottles to choose from, there's always something new to try at Total Wine & More. How about a great Prosecco for under $8 and a French Rosé for under $7? With the lowest prices for over 30 years, find what you love and love what you find. Only at Total Wine & More. Drink responsibly. B21.
There are more identity threats than you realize. Even if you monitor your credit, only a little personal info needs to leak out, like your social security number or password.
Are you to become a victim?
LifeLock alerts you to threats you could miss. If your identity is stolen, a dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft or monitor all transactions, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year with promo code NEWS. Go to LifeLock.com.
Is our car still under warranty?
No, not anymore.
My sister just got an extended service plan from Ox Car Care.
Ox Car Care?
Yeah, Ox will cover our repair bills if anything happens to our car, new brakes, a transmission, AC, or engine problem. Plus, Ox Car Care offers free oil changes, tire rotation, and roadside assistance.
Wait a minute, we pay nothing on the repairs? Ox gets it fixed for us? Free oil changes, free tire rotation, and free roadside assistance? What's the number?
800-296-3315. Ox has a 30-day money-back guarantee and an A-plus rating with the Better Business Bureau. They handle their claims from start to finish, unlike other warranty companies. We should call now. 800-296-3315.
The last thing we need is an unexpected car repair bill. I'm calling Ox Car Care now.
Call Ox Car Care for your free quote. 800-296-3315. Ask about senior and military discounts. Ox covers commercial car owners too. Don't get stuck with a major car repair bill. Call Ox Car Care. 800-296-3315.
Dear VetTix, thank you for a great experience and for your support to military and veterans.
Thank you so much, VetTix. Our family has gone through a lot the last 2 years, and this gave us a nice break.
Every empty seat at a concert game or a special event is a missed opportunity to say thank you to a veteran. Give your extra tickets to VetTix. Give something to those who gave. For more information on how you can make a difference, go to vettix.org.
Presented by Mega Chevy. Now trending on the KFBK Afternoon News with Kitty O'Neill. 4:16 is your news time. I'm Mike Lurie sitting in tonight for Kitty O'Neill with a look at what is now trending. President Biden's claim that he was never involved in his son's business is being challenged by Hunter Biden's friend and associate. In a closed-door hearing today, Kevin Archer telling members of Congress the president was on more than 20 different business calls with Hunter Biden in order to, in his words, sell the brand. Democrats in the meeting say Archer's testimony never indicated the president directly impacted his son's deal. Potential tragedy averted today after an armed man failed to get inside a Jewish school in Tennessee today. Memphis police say the man was shot by an officer after trying to force his way into the Margolin Hebrew Academy this afternoon. The man reportedly opened fire outside of the school after he could not enter. We're going to take a look now in depth with the so-called doomsday mom who killed her 2 children and buried them in Idaho 4 years ago while she celebrated getting married in Hawaii. She has been sentenced to life in prison. KFBK's Alex Stone has an in-depth look at today's dramatic court proceedings that will leave Lori Vallow Daybell behind bars for the rest of her life.
Quite a hearing today, and you remember this case goes back to 2019. J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, they were both killed. They went missing. They were found in a shallow grave in Idaho on the property of Lori Vallow Daybell's new husband, Chad. And then the couple allegedly also killed Chad's then wife before Lori and Chad had a wedding and celebrated that in Hawaii. Lori was convicted of murdering the children and killing Tammy Daybell a couple of months ago. Today was her sentencing, and today in court, JJ's grandmother sang,
JJ and Tylee could have been with us, living happy lives.
Instead, she took all that away. All because she is a money-hungry, power-mongering monster.
Prosecutors charged Lori Vallow with grand theft as well for taking public money after their death. And they said all of this came down to religious doomsday cult beliefs. And today, Lori Vallow told the court, she spoke in court, saying she has been to heaven and the murder victims are happy there.
I have access to heaven and the spirit world. Since then, I have had many communications from people now living in heaven, including my children, Kylie Ashland and Joshua Jackson.
She never apologized for murdering her children during her statement or murdering her romantic rival, and instead said that that's where they belong, is in heaven, and that is where they're happy.
Because of these communications, I know for a fact
answering the
that
phone
my
because I
children
don't have Bluetooth.
are happy and busy in the spirit world. Because of
stupid,
my communications with my
this
friend
damn
Tammy
client
Daybell,
so much.
I know that she is also very happy and extremely busy.
But the judge having none of it, saying that she has shown no remorse, has never said sorry for the murders, and
You justified all of this